Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to swap Solana in your Phantom wallet. So when you open up your Phantom wallet portfolio like this, what you're going to do is quite simple. Click on Solana itself. So once you click on Solana itself, wait for it to start loading up. So once it's done loading up, first of all, it will load the Solana price over here. As you can see, one Solana coin costs 145 US dollars. So after it's done loading up, click on swap. Once you click on swap over here, you see how much Solana are you swapping. Okay, so for this case, we'll be asking you how much Solana do you want to swap. So for this case, I'm assuming I'm swapping 28 Solana coins, and then I'm swapping them to what? So click on this drop down arrow. Once you click on this drop down arrow right there, you'll be asked which coin do you want to swap your Solana into. So for this case, I'll come over here and then choose one of the popular coins. This one's not popular. I'll choose USDC. So once I choose USDC over here, I'm shown that if I swap 28 Solana coins into USDC, I'll get $4,000. Okay, and if I want, I just go ahead over here and then click and then continue to swap. But for this case, I won't swap because I have insufficient balance. But that's how the procedure is, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.